Why does your scanner show the P00C2 engine code? And what does it mean? P00C2 is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger or supercharger bypass valve. B control circuit high. This error code indicates the PCM or ECM has detected an abnormally high voltage signal in the turbocharger or supercharger bypass valve B control circuit. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty bypass valve, damaged or shorted wiring, loose or corroded connectors, faulty bypass valve control solenoid, faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.